can see branding here. So you see your branding here. So you can add logo, color. If you have any preferred color, you can set your color from here. Then we have custom domain. Custom domain. So you can add your custom domain. If you know how to do that, then you come to location here. So location here means that you have more than one location. When you have more than one location, so we enable locations here. This is how you enable your location. So I will enable a location now. Click on this and enable locations. Now, currently we have from the data we have for Niger Craft Work, we have like 3 different branches. We have 3 different branches. We have the head office and we have 2 other branches. So let's see where we have them. So we have Abuja Showroom and Port Harcourt Depot. We have Abuja Showroom and Port Harcourt Depot. So I'm going to create Abuja Showroom. So add location here. You add a location. Now there are 2 things here: business location and warehouses. When you say business location, it means it has warehouse and you can also trade from that location. You can use as warehouse. You can also use as a location. It means there are business going on there. If you select warehouse only, it means there's no transaction here. You only stop transaction. You only stop stock inventory in this location, whereby you have to move to business location before you sell. So this is going to be like a location under a real business location, right? So we're going to create this as Abuja warehouse now. Abuja, the Abuja showroom, or what? Abuja showroom, Abuja showroom. So sometimes you have a location under location. When you have a location under another one, you give it this is a child location and you select the parent location. But in this case, we're not going to use child location here. So then you have the address. What is our Abuja address? Do you have Abuja address? Let's check the Abuja address. If you have, you put that. If you don't have, just save. Put other information and save that. Then down here, there is the primary contact. That is the email. If you have more than one people you have created account for, you can select who is the primary contact for this location. You select the person. Then we have what is called transaction series. Transaction series. So what this means is that for you to identify what transaction is going on in Abuja, what transaction is carried out in Lagos, we have what is called transaction series. So I can come here. We only have one series, which is a default series. I can add another series here. How do we add that? I will click on add series. Then, so you have Abuja. Want to know, we are creating Abuja T series. Now I can say, okay, in front of every document in Abuja, I want to see ABJ, ABJ, ABJ /. This is how we want it to look like. So it means for every quotation from Abuja, or whatever, we want this to show. So when you see an invoice with ABJ, you don't need to know, you don't need to ask where the invoice was created from. You already know this invoice is created from Abuja. That so The next thing after that is now to assign it to this location. Then the next thing is what? Is to save. So that is how to add locations